Now in this video, we will demonstrate how to reset your password in case you forgot it. On the welcome screen, click Forgot Password at the bottom right. A Forgot Password screen will appear. Then we have to select the country code and enter the registered phone number. After that, click on Continue. An OTP verification screen will appear. Here we have to fill the OTP received on our registered phone number. After that, click on Confirm. A reset password screen will appear. Here we have to generate a new password. Make sure your password contains one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. After that, retype the same password in the Confirm Password field, and then click Confirm. Your password has changed successfully.